Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video, we'll be talking about should you buy the newly launched iQOO Neo 6 5G smartphone in India. Now this smartphone is launched at 30,000 rupees in India, but there are certain offers which brings this smartphone price considerably lower and make this phone worth buying. So should you buy it? Now before getting this video, let's talk about some of the specifications why you should consider buying this smartphone. First of all, which comes in our mind is that the heart of the smartphone, and it's the performance, as it comes with the powerful last year processor, which is the Snapdragon 870 5G processor. Now the Snapdragon 870 is almost as good as the Snapdragon 865, but considering this year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, then we also see that there's a lot of throttling up to 50 to 60% in the smartphone, but with the Snapdragon 870, it's not present over there. So it's a good processor overall. Now next thing what we talk about this smartphone is that its display, then it's a 6.62 inch of a AMOLED display. Now it's a high refresh rate AMOLED display, so you definitely get a high refresh rate of 120 Hz with this smartphone. And AMOLED display flagship processor, which means you might also get a fingerprint scanner inbuilt in display fingerprint scanner, which is also present in this smartphone. Now talking about the next thing about this smartphone, which is also good, is the decent one, is the cameras, as it comes with a 64 megapixel of a triple camera setup with a secondary camera of 8 megapixels and a 2 megapixel of a depth sensor, which only iQOO knows why it's over there, just to make up for the numbers. And the next thing, this front selfie camera is of 16 megapixel in the Funchole selfie camera. The battery capacity of this smartphone is a decent one at 4700 milliamp battery, which is of course on the higher side when we compare to the other smartphone as 4000 or 4500 milliamp battery. Fast charging of up to 80 watts of fast charging is being supported in this smartphone, as the iQOO company or the iQOO, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo or Realme are going towards these 80 watts of flash charge as a standard one. Now the next thing what makes this considerable eye-watering is that its pricing, as the smartphone is right now available at 30,000 rupees, but you also get a 3,000 rupees of an instant discount on ICICI Bank debit card, credit card, and also it's an early bird offer, so that brings this price towards the 27,000 rupees. Apart from that, you also get an offer of a 1,000 rupees Amazon voucher, which brings this price to 26,000. And not only that, you can also get an extra off if you have some exchange smartphone for 30,000 rupees of extra bonus. So that effectively brings the smartphone under 25,000 rupees for Snapdragon 870. And overall, this smartphone is a good to go because it also has a premium build as it comes with the glass back, and there is no polycarbonate back or the plastic, or you can say glass stick, any kind of back, different back in this smartphone. Now talking about the software experience, then the iQOO UI is present on this smartphone, and it will be giving you 2 years of a major OS upgrades and 3 years of security patch, which means right now the phone is launched on Android 11, so you will be getting an Android update up to 14. And that's pretty much all about this smartphone. Additional 2 years of extended warranty is also been present with this smartphone, which is always a welcome, considering smartphones brands are right now trying to avoid just the warranty so that you can pay out of your money, out of your pocket. Now what do you think about this iQOO Neo 6 5G? Are you planning to buy this? Or if you want to check this smartphone on Amazon, then you can also hit that link in the description below, so you can definitely check it out, smartphone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.